everybody. I have a Uniden SDS100 digital police scanner. I'm gonna open the box. Beautiful scanner. It's kind of bulky from the back. The battery's pretty big. So we're gonna see what it's got. It's got the bell holder. It's well built. It's nice shape. Comes with a different setting for the antenna. Extra holder wired. Here's the antenna. It's a True IQ receiver, Truck Tracker X. It's got complete US and Canada radio database. It's got a 3.5 customized color display. That's where you charge it. You put the charger there. It's got the power button in the front, and you could add another headphones in there. You're looking at the best scanner that you probably could buy right now, and it's all digital. Comes with instructions. It's also you could set it up for different miles. I believe it's 1 mile, 15, 30 miles, 100 miles, but it gets a good reception. The frequency is already embedded in there, so you could actually put your zip code and it downloads the frequency near the zip code. So that's awesome. There's a search scan, the light, the audio, power, all the basic functions. You could also program this with special software. I'll make another video for that, a whole different topic. And you know what, the displays are beautiful because it's you could actually see it clear, and it's not heavy. You're looking at about like 1 pound. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.